Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra with a template. First, let's prepare. Begin by securing a precise template, perhaps a 1/24th scale model, ensuring all components are present. Take a moment to thoroughly read through the instructions, understanding each step. A well-organized workspace with good lighting is crucial for accuracy. Gather your essential tools, such as a craft knife with a fresh blade, a cutting mat, and a strong, quick-drying adhesive. This preparation saves time and prevents errors later on. Now let's move to cutting. Carefully transfer each template piece onto your chosen material, such as cardstock or thin plastic, using a fine-tipped pen. Employ a very sharp craft knife, holding it at a consistent 45-degree angle to achieve crisp, clean edges. Take your time, making slow, deliberate cuts, particularly when navigating the Supra's distinctive curves and sharp angles. Always work on a self-healing cutting mat to protect your table and ensure smooth cuts. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Before gluing, carefully score and fold all designated lines on each component. This ensures crisp, professional folds. Apply a very thin, even layer of adhesive to the tabs, avoiding excess that could seep out. Align each part with extreme precision, holding it firmly in place for about 30 seconds to allow the glue to bond. For larger sections, consider using small pieces of painter's tape or miniature clamps to maintain alignment as the adhesive fully cures. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Thoroughly inspect your assembled Supra model for any minor gaps or imperfections, filling them if necessary. For a professional look and added durability, apply a clear matte or gloss protective spray coating, allowing it to dry for at least 2 hours. You might also consider painting small details, like the taillights or window trim, to bring your model to life. Present your completed Toyota Supra on a custom base or within a clear display case for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.